Here's the farm puzzle. What's that one?
Tractor.
That's right.
Moose go. Moose. And rocks. And this
What's that one?
goose.
The goose.
Horsey. Boy.
What are those?
Goat.
Goat. Yay! Good job.
This one. This one.
Now you do George. Emily's going to show me how she does her Curious George puzzle. What is that one? Yep. What animal is that? Giraffe. Yep.
George.
You put it in.
5. Give me 5. Give me 5.
Okay, you give me 5.
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you want to shake now? I don't think Cheney wants to shake. He doesn't know how to shake.
Astros.
That's right. What's that one? What's that one?
See?
What animal is that? Where's George?
Oh.
There's George. Where does he go? That's right. Where's the... What's that one? Hippopotamus. That's right.
It's a lion.
It is the lion. Can you put it in the puzzle? Turn. There you go. What's that?
Elephant.
Elephant. That's right. Where's the giraffe?
You find one?
Where's the giraffe? What's that one?
Kangaroo.
And what does the kangaroo do?
Jump.
Whoa! What's that?
Circus.
It is the circus. It's the seal with the balls. What's that big one? Giraffe. Oh, and there's one more. What's that one? No, what is that?
Camel.
Camel. That's right. All done. Good job.
This one. Smell.
What letter is that?
M.
No. What letter is that?
Curl. You okay, puppy?
What letter's that?
Mm.
M. That's right.
Wait.
Okay. What letter is that? What is that? Y. What's that one? You silly, you know 'em all. What does it say?
M-I-Y-O-E Emily.
That's right. Good job.